In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache and remove junk files in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing, liking the video and commenting. Now to begin, you are going to go to your taskbar, then go to search, then search for settings. Then open settings. Then go to system. Then on your left, you are going to see options under systems. Now you will select storage. Then here you are going to see your local disk C. So if you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see temporary files here. Click on it. Then you are going to wait for it to finish to scan. As you can see, the scanning process is going on. So just wait for it to list for you all the temporary files that are in your computer. So as you can see here. So once it has finished to scan, as you can see, now you will select the files that you want to delete. So there are some files which have been selected automatically, as you can see. A delivery optimization file, a system error memory dump file. So files like this one you need to select and remove them. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see a temporary Windows installation files. These are the files that were left while you are installing your Windows. So I'm going to select this one. Then recycle bin, select that. Then these others, you are also going to select them. So you are going to select the ones that you want to remove. So once you have identified them and you have selected them, you are going to click on remove files. Then continue. Then as you can see, the files are being removed. So once you have finished that, you will now go to your taskbar, then go to search again. Then search for disk cleanup. So you are going to see it there. Just open it, click on open. Then okay. Then you will be able to see these programs here. So you are going to select the one that you want to delete. Like for temporary internet files, you are going to select them. Then recycle bin and temporary files. You are going to select all this in order to delete them. The only one that you are going to uncheck is download program files. You are going to uncheck that, but for the remaining, you are going to select them. Then click on OK. Then delete files. Then after you have done that, you will now go again to your taskbar, then go to search, then search for run. Then open run. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So you are going to write %temp %, then click on OK. Then here you are going to see a bunch of files. So Ctrl A to highlight, then press on delete button. So as you can see, they are more than 1 GB, as you can see here on my screen, meaning that they have consumed a lot of space on the computer. So you need to delete them all. So there are some other files which are running on the background which cannot be deleted at this moment. So you are just going to skip. You will do this for all current items and skip. So for the last method, you are going again to go to the search, your taskbar, then search for run again. Then open. Then now here, you are now going not to use %. You will remove % and you will leave temp. Then click on OK. Then maximize that. Then you will Ctrl A to highlight them. Then press on delete on your keyboard. Then do you want to permanently delete them? Click on yes. Then as you can see, they were almost more than 1 GB. More than 1 GB, as you can see. Now you are going to skip. Then as you can see, this has been deleted, all of them. So by doing so, you will be able to boost your computer performance and increase your computer speed. And that's it, guys. That's how to clear cache and to remove junk on your PC. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.